Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Elliott Wave analysis. Right. So today I want to talk about gold again. Right. So over here, this um discount right on this major level right did not change. Right. So let's do a refresher here. Right. The big cup and handle from 2011 until 12th August 2020. Right. So this is wave one. The handle is wave two, right? And I've identified these moves since October, or just consider it as November 2022 to April 2025, right? This period as a wave three, right? And then over here, what you see is there is potentially a short wave four, right? So that is just a few months, right? Is that even a few months? No, just a 4 weeks period of wave four, right? So this is on the quite a cycle level, right? So there's a chance that this itself is not the end of wave four, right? That means that this wave four could be here, right? So we have a now you see this is the WXY because on the lower level there is a breakdown, right? So it could be on a higher level, um, you would call it A, B, and C, right? So it comes down again, right? But for now, uh, the memory count is still here, but keep in mind what is the alternate count. All right, alternate count is that wave four haven't end and is going down still. Right. So based on this primary count, let's go to low time frame. Okay. Right. So over here, what you see is that I think I may need to go down even lower, right, just to see the breakdown. Right. So our wave four is here, right, and over here you see one, two, three, four, five. Now this is the line that I'm talking about. Let me make it thicker, right? So you know that what I'm talking about. So over here, I would say that I've identified this as a wave one for now, right? For now, this is a wave one, right? Um, right. So this is a wave one. Okay. So now this is the primary count, right? So I'll just put it as a bigger here, wave one, right? And then you have a wave two over here, right? This is a wave two. So this is the primary count, right? Um, what happens is, sorry, this is not the wave two. Sorry, this wave two is actually here, right? So this is a irregular correction, right? Irregular correction. So let me make it thicker again, right? So you know what I'm talking about, right? WXY. Okay. So over here, what I would say is that there is an alternate count here, right? Which means that this one, two, three is actually a ABC, right? And then this is a XABC, right? So this is actually the alternate count. Okay, so let me just put it here. So alternate A, and then change the color to red color for alternate count. Okay, ABC, right? So it's actually WXY, but because when we go to the higher time frame, what happens is that we may need to show the WXY, right? So that's why over here I'll just put it as ABC first, all right? But you should know that this is actually ABC, so it's actually a WXY, right? So alternate C, right? Then over here is also a ABC, right? So now I have identified this as a wave two. Okay, so the reason for this bias is really because of this wave over here, right? So this wave, what I see is a five wave up. Okay, so in order for this whole move to go into the secondary count, right? This should have been a X. That means it should have been a three wave, right? And then we can have another ABC down for the cycle level wave four for the alternate count. Okay, but over here, what I see is a five wave, right? So that's why I make this into a one, two, three, four, five plus a irregular wave two. Okay, so over here you see that I've labeled this as one, two, three, four, five. ABC, right? And then you see here another ABC correction, and finally this is a five wave. So in this case, this actually looks more like a flag, right? Even though it exceeded this level over here, right? Or if you see over here, you can ignore this week over here, right? So if let's say I go into a lower time frame still, right, you can see that there's a very short movement up where I put as a wave 4. Now, what this could be a ABC, ABC, AB, and entire wave down as C, right? Whichever count is it, whether you want to keep this as a 4 or you just merge this entire wave as one wave, right? I would say that right now I do see a short-term bottom over here, right? Which is this price that is made just maybe 40 minutes ago, right? Around there. So over here I would say this is a long idea. Okay. So if I have to put it, I mean ideally you will go in near to the bottom here, right? But as of this analysis, price has moved up, right? So I would say put the stop below, maybe slightly below a bit more, right? And then you can have the take profit over here. Okay, so we will have this. Now this take profit will be now if this is eight this is wave one, right? Wave three definitely will go higher, right? So from here to here, and assuming that this is the bottom, right? We are expecting at least a 1:1 here, right? Or it will breach even higher. But this is the short term take profit, right? So this is your first level, right? And then if it breaks, let's have the target at 3426. Okay, so you adjust your size accordingly based on when you enter, right? Or the price that you enter, right? Your stop loss is over here, right? You can adjust it a little bit more, right? To trade a smaller size. Okay, so I'll just leave this here even though price is getting to a more favorable position. Okay, so yeah, so this is the price target 3426, around there, right? And the stop loss is 3305, right? So that's it for this Elliott Wave analysis, right? And good luck in your trading. Thank you.